Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.